How to change ChatGPT email address. Let's jump right into the steps. One thing that you have to keep in mind that you cannot change your ChatGPT email address. However, you can add email address to your ChatGPT account. For that, what you need to do is, in the search bar of browser, you want to go ahead and type platform.openai.com. After you do that, you will enter to this page. You have to make sure that you are logged into it. Tap on 3 lines on the top right corner, then tap on account. From the drop down options, you want to go ahead and tap on members. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on invite members. This allows other people to join your ChatGPT. So here you want to enter their names, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on save. As you do that, in this pop-up you want to enter the email address, and then you have to assign their roles. Either you want to assign them as the owner or the reader. After that, you want to enter invite. As you do that, you'll be able to invite the person to your ChatGPT. That is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.